Hi, my name is Hallie. We always begin Qigong practice by connecting with what we call the Qi field. So gently closing your eyes, bringing your awareness deep into the earth beneath you and deep into the heavens above you. Expanding your awareness into the universal Qi field and all around you in all directions. Coming back to your center, connected with all. And now we begin the practice. The inner smile practice is a practice of presence, of simply being gently present with ourselves, whatever is going on. We're not trying to change anything. We're simply being present, which is the first step towards the deepest healing. Once we are present with what is, we can see what needs to happen. And when we bring a gentle smile to that presence, our emotional, physical, and mental bodies can relax and open to the healing energy. So tracing a smile with your fingers from the corners of your mouth and actually allowing a little smile to appear on your mouth, and tracing with your fingers to your earlobes, and again coming back to the corners of your mouth and tracing a smile to your earlobes and past your earlobes along your occiput to Yud-Zen at the base of your skull, the jade pillow. And once more bringing your fingers to the corners of your mouth, tracing a smile, allowing a real smile down under your earlobes, along the base of your skull, and up into Yud-Zen, the top of your spine. And then bringing your hands so your fingers are touching the outside of your nostrils and tracing a smile along your cheekbones to the tops of your ears and around the base of the skull to Yud-Zen, the top of your spine. And once more from the base of your nostrils on either side along your cheekbones, tracing a smile, allowing an actual smile to appear above your ears, along the base of your skull, to the top of your spine. And one more time, from the outside of the nostrils, smiling gently, tracing the smile along the cheekbones, over the ears, base of the skull, to the top of the spine. And one more time, now on the outside of the eyes, tracing the smile along the temples, cross above the ears on either side, along the skull, and to Yud-Zen at the base of the skull, top of the spine. Again, inner smile from the outer corners of the eyes, cross above the ears to the top of the spine, imagining or feeling a whole smile. Once more, the corners of your eyes opening up inside your head and allowing that smile to appear gently on your face, middle fingers resting at Yud-Zen. Releasing the hands, being aware of the Qi. You're holding your hands as you bring your hands to any resting, comfortable place. Feeling that inner smile on your face and in your head. And allowing or imagining, sensing an inner smile inside your brain. You can imagine one big, gentle smile inside your brain, or millions of little smiles in all the cells of your brain. Right hemisphere of your brain smiling to the left hemisphere smiling to the right. Entire brain erupting in gentle inner smiles. These smiles filling your entire head, all your sense organs. Eyes are smiling, ears are smiling, ear canals are smiling, tongue is smiling, taste cells are smiling. Nose is smiling. All the sense organs, the sense of touch inside your head and on the outside of your head, all those cells are smiling. Your entire head is lighting up with gentle smile. Now you can feel or imagine your brain, your head smiling down through your throat, down to your heart. Smiles through the thyroid and parathyroid. Smiling down into your physical heart and your energy heart. Your physical heart begins to respond with a smile of its own. There are many millions of smiles in every cell of your heart. But your physical heart is relaxing with the inner smile. Feeling itself happy to be recognized by the brain, happy to be connected with the brain, with the inner smile. So you might feel a river of smiles passing through from the brain to the heart, and the heart smiling back to the brain, appreciating one another, working in union. Projecting inner smiles into every cell that they are in contact with. Heart relaxing even more in the inner smile, energy heart, radiant with the inner smile. Now smiling from the heart down into the kidneys, beaming those gentle inner smiles from the physical heart down into the physical kidneys, appreciating all the work that they do. And those smiles encompassing also the adrenals. One big gentle smile or many, many inner smiles encompassing the kidneys and the adrenals. Both of them relaxing and expanding in the inner smile. And expanding that inner smile to encompass the other systems associated with the kidneys. Expanding the inner smile to unite with the reproductive system. The hormonal system. Reproductive system, gently lighting up with the inner smile. Inner smile throughout the bones and the bone marrow, also associated with the kidneys. You can sense or imagine a river of inner smiles in your bone marrow, throughout your body. Returning to the physical kidneys, the energy kidneys, a gentle smile, smiling from the kidneys to the digestive system, the stomach and the pancreas, and all the intestines. The kidneys smiling to the digestive system, waking up the inner smile in all these organs. A golden river of smiles throughout the digestive system, throughout all the intestines, all the way to the colon and the anus. Appreciating all the work that the digestive system does to transmute food into chi for our life force. And digestive system radiating these smiles back to the kidneys, kidneys radiating the smiles into the digestive system. Throughout all the inner workings of the digestive system, all the folds, smiles everywhere, or one big smile throughout the digestive system. You can also imagine gentle inner kiss throughout the digestive system, relaxing and nourishing it with your presence of presence. Gentle, accepting presence of being with your digestive system, acknowledging it and appreciating it. Digestive system radiant with inner smile. And now directing those smiles from the digestive system up into the liver. Liver receiving the smiles, receiving the presence. Radiating from the liver with this inner smile, one big smile or many inner smiles in every cell of the liver, expanding into the gallbladder and the spleen. All the miraculous work that they do. Smile in every cell. Gentle acceptance and presence. Radiating these gentle inner smiles into the rest of the purification system, the immune system throughout the body. Gentle inner smiles. And the lymphatic system, radiant with gentle inner smiles. Feeling the smiles throughout your being, throughout the purification system. Coming back to the liver, liver smiling up to the lungs. Entire respiratory system. Lungs smiling back to the liver and the entire purification system in a river of smiles, radiating back and forth. Every part of the lungs and the respiratory system waking up to the inner smile. Inner presence of being. allowing your lungs and respiratory system to relax into their fullness with the inner smile. Now radiating these inner smiles, being aware of all the organs, gently smiling, radiating out throughout your entire being, your entire body, and your entire energy body, from these organs, from these systems, out into your skin, through all your tissues and your flesh. Inner smile throughout your body, throughout your energy body. Every aspect of your being filling with the inner smile. Resting in the awareness and the knowledge of the inner smile, the inner kiss, the inner presence with your precious body and energy body. Slowly bringing your hands to your navel, feeling the smile in the palms of your hands, meeting the smile in your navel, the smile in your dantian. Feeling your hands smiling to your dantian, dantian smiling back to your hands. Filling up the dantian, the beautiful inner smile of appreciation and oneness with the universe. We bow and give thanks for this practice, for all our practices, to all our teachers and all wisdom traditions. We give thanks to one another for co-creating this chi field. We give deep thanks to the healer and teacher within ourselves, to the inner smile within ourselves. How la, how la, how la, all is well. So slowly opening your eyes as you're ready, taking in all forms of chi, visible and invisible, if you need to close your eyes to reconnect with your core, and then slowly opening them, imagining the world smiling back to you and you smiling to the world.